care of sa imo mga order si sir.
Oo.
Oo, ano siya order namin ng 5,000.
5,000?
Kasi nakabox mo siya ma'am. Kasi nakalog sa ako.
Okay. Gusto na siya?
Nakabox siya. Opo. Cash on delivery.
5,000? Okay.
Sige, mag-check na mo ma'am sa imo.
I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids and we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. But darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a man strong.
Ma'am, good morning. Ano ka ma'am na na-ID ako na rin na makikare of sa imo mga order si sir.
Oo.
Oo, ano siya order namin ng 5,000.
5,000?
Kasi nakabox mo siya ma'am. Kasi nakalog sa ako
Okay. Gusto na siya?
Nakabox siya. Opo. Cash on delivery.
5,000? Okay.
Sige, mag-check na mo ma'am sa imo.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a boy.
Welcome home.
I got some love
Nag-expect ka
I
ma'am?
couldn't
Order daw
speak.
niya ma'am. Pero wala pa malugod sa. Oo.
Found the one that my life had found.
Ma'am, welcome home.
This
Saan ka ba ma'am?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
So
Okay.
this
Ma'am,
morning, my love
ay, hanga sa inyo ma'am.
will have it hold you. You look so beautiful.
Daw, sa nasong kay Dugay?
Mount to my
Ma'am,
lips.
20,000 pesos. Wow, sana all na lang yun.
So beautiful.
Ma'am, nagpunta sa sir sa iyo.
Oo, pero pawala-wala akong signal. Pawala-wala po niya, ha?
Okay, so pero nag-expect ka na ito.
Order daw siya.
Okay. Ma'am, nasa message para sa inyo ako sa ako pa
Ali, ito bang sa
Say to the world, you're my every reason. You're all that I believe in. You're my heart. Every first night that we met, together we've been happy. I have very few regrets.
Dear, ito ba? Isa pa.
Nasyak si ma'am, sir. Nasyak.
Speechless ko.
Happy.
Happy.
Ano yung message mo pala kay sir, ma'am? Padungga, pag-ibig sa imong message para sa iya, ha?
Pwede mo niya na kung kami lang tuwa.
Oy, hindi kayo nakaambit.
Ha?
Sir, ikaw, sir, kaiwan kay ma'am, sir, after 3 years, nakikita na doon mo.
Ikaw pa, Johnny. Mag-isuya na. Ikaw una. Ikaw una.
Ma'am, ikaw, ano ka na ba yung story, ma'am?
Oo. Ikaw una. Una. Madali na kaingat.
Ano yung maingon kasi, ma'am, sa kanila? Thank you.
Thank you. I love you. Nag-expect ka niya. Kanina ninyo. Bumabawi?
Okay, ikaw, sir. Sir, yung kay ma'am. I love you. Oh, I love you daw. Okay, ma'am, kuan, delivery po, happy ones kami sa inyo, ha? Pag-blow lang, please. Okay, on sa inyong wish, ma'am. Wish niyo sa inyong relationship.
Kauntalay forever.
Wow, lahat. Okay, doon ka naman po sa kanin.
1, 2, 3.
Yay! Welcome home and belated happy monthsary. Sir, happy na nakita na si ma'am? Wala kang tukol ba?
Ba't ka?
Wait, 3 years daw bago kanya nakita sa wow. Ako wish sa inyo ha, na stay stronger. Strong lang always sa every other relationship. Okay, thank you so much. Wala kayo si Ma'am Dala, sir? Wala kayo si Dala, ha? Kiss daw, ang like lang daw. Kiss daw, yun daw, kiss daw.
Ang virus, bawal. Dari.
Okay, dami mo yung Okay, thank you so much.
Ano bang sama din ni?
For me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a boy, beautiful and sweet. Yeah, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids and we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss